la wayengasindiswanga uPresley ngempela uPresley wayengasindiswanga. Hey umbonile sindiswa vele uPresley what hey alimazi umuntu ngelanga lakhe lokugcina. Uma lithi iBhayibheli abasegcineni bayoba secaleni, abasecaleni bayoba segcineni. People that you expect that you are going to heaven, they will surprise you getting them burning inside the hell deep down. But those you undermine them, those you think they are sinners than every sinner in the earth, uyomangala ubathole basezulwini bamkhonza uNkulunkulu. Because it's not about how long you've been in this race. It's not about how long you serve, but it's about your end with Christ. It's about your conclusion. It's being concluded with Christ. So I know some of the comment they're saying, ngempela uyasha nize ninesiqiniseko sokuthi umuntu usesogweni. Bafowethu kuyoshaya nina nibhizinamba ntshela abantu ukuthi basesogweni. Niyoshela amange niwakhulumile emhlabeni. Hey, my God. Niyosha ngoba abantu bagcwalisa ifear.